Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to just be riding around on the RSF. As you guys know from the last video, I was putting a new motor in the RSF6 or the YZ85, and then changing the controller too. So that's pretty cool. So I'm working on that right now, and then upgrades for this bike right here will be coming very soon. And I also got a new mic for my GoPro and helmet, so tell me how that sounds. And then I flipped my camera where you could see the bike more and still see the sky, and you guys won't see my visor much as you're used to. So yeah, I'm just gonna be riding around today, maybe wheeling a little bit and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna cue a time lapse with some music right now. And oh, and then I found the problem with the YZ85. So it was nothing with the sprockets. So at the beginning I knew the MY1020 motor was not gonna take it. So I planned to upgrade the motor no matter what, sooner or later. But I didn't think it was gonna be this soon. But I found out what happened was I reversed my phase wires, all of them. So to switch the motor direction. But that's what the grinding sound is coming from. The motor phase wires. So if I were to switch the motor phase wires back, it'll sound perfect again. But I will be losing, I'll be going in reverse the whole time. So I just decided to get a new motor, which is coming soon, that is made to be, it's made the right way. So I'll be going forward, not reverse. And I won't have to switch the phase wires and all the hall sensors and stuff. So that is really good. I really like that, and so that's why I'm upgrading. And the motor is completely fine. It's just once I reverse the phase wires back, because I haven't rode the YZ, only has like 10 miles, not even on it. So the motor is perfectly fine once I switch the phase and hall sensors back and wires. I'm going to put it in the RSF, and I'm going to put that controller in this bike too. Then I'm going to get a 72-volt battery for this bike. And then probably like another surround throttle, hydraulic disc brakes, and all that good stuff. So that will be coming very soon. And yeah. So I haven't rode in a while. It's been raining, but I'm going to cue a time lapse right now, and yeah. About this bike is that it goes 20 out the box. Like razors, like the MX650s and stuff, they only go 13, 15. But this one goes 20. It's a pretty big difference, and it's like a nice cruising speed. But I'm probably gonna upgrade this to 72 volts very soon. And then I really wanna, I'm probably going to do this very soon, put some zoom brakes on it, because ready? You see they squeak, so, but they do lock up, ready? You hear that was them, they locked up, but So I really do want to put some zooms on here. And since there is no like front fork, like it doesn't compress, I have some spare raised. Oh, I'm probably gonna put the ones that Saransu gave me on here. The razor forks on here. I'm probably gonna put those where I could have some compression. That's gonna be very nice. And then I'll probably leave it like that for a little bit, and then I'll most likely put a 72 volt kit on it next. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. Should be coming out soon. But those are my plans for this bike. And then it'll probably go like 40 to 45 with very good torque. Waiting right now. YZ85 should be done very soon. The parts were taking a long time to get in, and then they got in, and then I have to wait for my welder. I need to hit him up and tell him, and then we're gonna weld the new motor on. So yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, this dude needs some zoom brakes. But yeah, I'm gonna roll cue time lapse. Alright guys, so I'm probably going to be putting the hydraulic disc brakes on today. And if the part of me putting it on was not in this video, make sure to go to my TikTok at Ben's Lowriders or my Instagram at Ben's Lowriders. And you guys can see me. If you want early access to it, just follow me and you guys will get to see me putting them on. And the video will be most likely next week's video if you guys want to wait. But if you want the early access, just go to my TikTok and TikTok or Instagram, and it'll be right there. Yeah. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and stay tuned.